Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 261. So first of all, what you have to do is come below at the search bar, type in cmd and enter. Now here type in ipconfig space / flushdns. Once done, enter it. Once you see the successful message, close this. Now see if it changes anything after restarting your PC. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to open a new tab. Select this three-dot icon, scroll all the way below, select Settings. Under Settings, you will see Privacy and Security. Click onto it. Under Privacy and Security, you will see Delete Browsing Data. Go ahead and delete some of the browsing data like your cookies or some cache. And once you do so, see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, then give it some time, or you can also use Roblox application. For example, if you're having problem with your browser, use Roblox application. If it's an application that you're having problem with, use a browser. So these are the fixes that you can try. Thank you for watching.